Hello and good day everyone. Today we are going to explain about affective strategies, which is one of the indirect language learning strategies. Before we explain further about the Krathwohl's affective taxonomy and the characteristics of affective strategies, let me explain briefly the definition of affective strategies. Affective strategies concerned with managing emotions with both positive and negative. Positive affective environments help learning in general. It includes identifying one's feeling and becoming aware of the learning and circumstances or tasks that invoke them. Now let's move on to Krathwohl's affective taxonomy. Firstly, receiving. Are the learners willing to pay attention to learning? The examples of receivings are observe, listen, look, notice, experience, and watch. Next, responding. Are the learners willing to respond to learning opportunities? The examples of responding are answer, contribute, attempt, cooperate, suggest, and offer. Next, valuing. Do learners have a commitment to learning? The example of valuing are advocate, choose, defend, promote, propose, recommend, and value. Other than that, organization. Why is learning important to learners? And the examples of organization are assess, coordinate, compare, design, review, structure, and figure out. And the last one is characterization. Do learners live by their belief? The examples of characterization are act on, affirm, declare, reject, revise, trust, and do. Now let's move on to the characteristics of affective strategies.
There are 5 characteristics of effective strategies. It is attitude towards learning, motivation level, attitude towards self, relationship with peers and teachers, and interests. The first one is attitude towards learning. It is a predetermined perceptions where learners has own established perceptions in advance. In addition to that, it is also how they view the environment. For example, a messy or disorganized environment may give negative effect towards the mood of the learner or vice versa. Next, we move on to the second part, which is the motivation level. Motivation is what drives us to achieve our personal goals, to have high motivation to learn, and at the same time to increase learners' interest towards learning. The third one is attitude towards self. The first part is the time management skills, whereby the learners able to manage and organize their time wisely in order to be able to manage to learn the language and at the same time able to increase their confidence level. And the last part is attribution to success due to their ability and motivation. Next, let's look at the fourth part, which is relationship with peers and teachers. The first one is some learners may prefer working in groups or individually. So it is up to the teacher to identify the type of relationship. The second part is to identify whether the learners are introvert or extrovert. Last but not least is the interest. High involvement in activities indicate learners' interest in learning. They may also be active or even passive to show their lack of interest in their learning.
That's all from us.
Thank you.